girfs in the library.
Did you put it on your MySpace too?
No, I can't though.
Becca.
That was the song you just heard. That was freaking hilarious.
What is this? How does that work?
That
Bleeding.
Are we still singing? Or can we go? We're done? Okay. So, I'm recording, so we're about to see a bunch of people.
Come on.
Hey, I'm in the middle of this.
I know, that's why I came over here.
Okay. Oh, God.
Good morning, everybody.
That was a really big close-up.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Becca's sexy today.
Yes,
Jessica's breaking down.
Jessica's
with the Black Girl choir.
Spiritual today.
She's spiritual. She's
Guys, at the choir concert, we have to do like Mr. Rob said. We gotta do that whole like.
She's got Jesus. She's got Jesus on her mind this morning.
It was like.
Really retarded.
Wow, Becca. No, we should all.
Oh, I did not get that on.
The whole soprano section to be like. In the
303.
303.
3-0.
What do I want this for? Oh, oops, sorry. My finger was
We're
messing
gonna
with
get
it.
sued for using that.
Oh, Barry,
Watch out.
They're not Pop-Tarts, they're Pop-Tarts. They're Pop-Tarts.
Pop-Tarts? Are you my kid now?
hitting in your boob. Headphones.
Lexi,
Oh,
yeah.
by the way,
Pop
Lexi
draws.
better remember my headphones because
Pop
now she has a
draws.
recording to remember them.
What?
So she can't forget.
They're Pop Draws.
Pop draws.
I hate that.
Ah!
She got a
No, don't turn it to me. Oh!
She got a donk.
Leave me alone.
Draws. Look at
The
your
draws.
I was like, if you said draws one more time, I'm
Come on,
on the
we're
channel.
gonna interview some people. Come here.
Let's go. Are we gonna like Jessica? Come with us. Come on.
Hi.
Are we on video?
Yeah, you're on video. It's going on YouTube.
Oh yeah.
We never had.
What?
Why is most?
That's going on YouTube, so. Oh, that's right.
That's amazing.
Isn't it? Jesus and a half. Then people would have been like, you are not Jesus.
I never claimed. You should have done 2 girls in the camera. You should have done 2 girls in 1 camera. That's what I thought.
On. Hi, you guys on YouTube. Okay, cool, thanks. What?
Which grade did we meet in first grade?
What?
Which grade did we meet, first or second grade?
I don't know.
First, I think.
And I like to ooples and banoonies. What?
Obviously 2 girls.
1 cup.
That's some nasty shit. Speaking of shit, that eats shit, that is some nasty shit.
Aaron, just do your British accent for us.
I can't.
Do it!
People have freaking like nasty accents with poop and shit.
Let's go in here. Okay, this is like gonna be, this is going on there.
It has to.
All you can hear is like screaming.
has
Yeah,
to.
really good.
The voices. I'm on a boat.
Would you? I'm on a boat. Get away. I'm on a boat. No, you're not.
Give me my
You're not. What? I'm gonna run away from you.
I made a video on the bus yesterday, but I cut it. Yeah, give it here.
You're on a boat. You're on a boat.
I'm on a boat.
You're going slow because you're lame. Look who has the iPod.
Did that break?
No, it fell off that riser again. Like it always does.
Got me snorting on camera.
It didn't break.
Up a little bit.
It didn't break. It
Look in the
slid.
mirror. Can you see yourself in the mirror?
Where's the mirror? What's the mirror? Wait. There's a mirror in there. Aaron, go in that room and wave in the mirror.
Gangsta. She's gonna poke her.
Poke, poke, poke.
You are